Hello, good morning everyone.
Good morning, Mister.
Good morning,
Good
mister.
morning.
How are you today?
I'm great.
I'm
How about you, mister?
good.
Okay, thank you. Before we begin, let me introduce myself. My name is Wisnu Aji Saputra, and today I will be your English teacher. Today we are going to learn an interesting topic called introducing myself. Our main focus is listening during today's lesson. I hope everyone participate actively. Don't worry if you make mistakes, because making mistakes is part of learning. Jadi nyantai aja kalau kalian salah, nggak ada hukuman. Yang penting interaktif dan kita sama-sama belajar di sini. Please feel free to answer my question and enjoy the lesson. Let's start together. Okay, by the end of today's lesson, you will be able to understand a simple spoken self-introduction. Identify personal information, recognize age, hometown, hobbies, favorite subject, and future dream, and answering listening comprehension question correctly. This objective will guide our learning today. Question for student. Why do you think listening is important when learning English? Jadi, kenapa listening itu penting untuk belajar bahasa Inggris? Ada yang menjawab?
To understand others and communicate better, sir.
Oke, terima kasih. Excellent. Listening help us to understand people in real life communication. Jadi, kita bisa mendengar orang itu, kita lebih mengerti apa yang mereka katakan. I know that we know our goals. Let's warm up before listening. Kita pemanasan dulu. Okay, before we listen, let's get ready. Now, everyone, before we start our listening activity, I'd like to warm up first. Please look up the screen, and today we are going to talk about introducing ourselves. I have simple question for you. There are no right or wrong answer, so don't be afraid to speak. Jadi nggak ada jawaban yang salah. Nggak usah takut untuk menjawab. Oke, question number one. Siapa yang mau jawab? Question number one. Have you introduced yourself in English? Siapa yang mau jawab?
Me, mister.
Oke.
Yes, I have
Uh,
introduced myself in English.
okay. Where
I,
did you introduce yourself in English? At school or in competition or maybe online?
apparently, when I'm meeting my friend and they just met me and we're the first time we met, yeah, mostly it's on
Oh,
school or when I'm on the extra classes,
oke. Oh, itu teman online kamu ketemu di mana?
mostly on event like Komifuro or Komipara, like
Oh,
the one.
itu event itu apa ya? Wibu ya?
Yes, if you put it that
Yes,
way, yeah,
oke. Sepertinya seru ya. Nah, oke.
it
Question
is.
number two. Can you tell us about your name and your hobby? Please, Alaya, answer.
Yes, my name is Alayananta Febrian, and my hobby is drawing. But sometimes I like to write too, writing something.
Okay, that's a good hobby. Have you ever achieved something with your hobby? Kamu pernah dapat apa sih ngelakuin hobi kamu?
Well, I got a lot of things that I have today, like buying merch or going outside with my own money from the
Oh,
able to illustrate stuff like that. And sometimes, yeah, I can pen myself. I can pay for myself.
wih keren ya, udah bisa berpenghasilan pakai hobinya ya. Maybe anyone else ada yang punya hobi tertentu yang bisa menghasilkan atau hobi yang disukai? Can you tell us your name and hobby, please? Siapa? Sebutkan nama dan Hobinya apa? Siapa yang mau jawab? Yang jawab dapat nilai plus nanti di akhir ujian.
Saya bisa.
Oke, boleh, silakan.
My name is Nisa Sahnia, and I really love watching movies. That's my hobby. One of my
Oke.
hobby.
So, what movie do you watch recently? Jadi, terakhir kamu nonton film apa?
Terakhir, saya nonton film itu drakor sih, lebih ke drama
Oke.
Korea gitu.
Oke, pemeran utamanya siapa kamu tahu?
Saya lupa. Kebetulan saya lupa.
Oke, ya nggak apa-apa, nggak apa-apa. Oke, terima kasih sudah menjawab ya. Berikutnya, ini ada pre-listening atau vocabulary. Kita di sini saya menyediakan ada 10 vocabulary di sini. Nanti boleh diulangi setelah saya. Yang pertama itu name. Name.
Name.
Oke,
Name,
name. Yang kedua itu ada live. Itu artinya adalah tempat tinggal.
Live.
Live.
leaf,
Oke, yang ketiga ada hobi.
hobby,
Hobby.
Ada yang tahu artinya hobi?
hobi kegemaran, Mister.
Iya, iya, kegemaran. Kegemaran kamu apa, Mas? Mas Abdul.
Kegemaran saya membaca komik dan mendengar musik.
Itu jarang sekali ya laki-laki membaca komik ya. Komik apa yang dibaca kalau boleh tahu?
Ah, apa aja sih, Mister? Terkhusus yang ada di webtoon sih.
Oke, oke. Saya juga dulu suka baca webtoon ya. Seru juga, seru, 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 seru. Terima kasih, Abdul. Oke, the next is
Yes, Mister.
movies.
Movies,
Movies.
Movies artinya adalah, ada yang tahu?
Film, Mister.
Film? Oke, film. Tadi ya, yang Mbak Sania ini bilang movie-nya itu kesukaannya drakor. Oke, berikutnya engineer.
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 engineer,
Engineer itu artinya apa nih, tahu?
Kayak insinyur mungkin, Mister.
Betul sekali. Terima kasih. Dan ini berikutnya ini adalah 15. 15 itu apa sih?
15 itu
15 itu
15,
umur.
Mister.
Ya, angka ya benar ini kayaknya ada salah input di sini. And next one is lanjut aja. Favorite subject.
Favorite subjects.
Favorite
Artinya
subject.
ada yang tahu?
Ah, pelajaran kesukaan.
Oh ya, di sini ada yang suka sama subjek atau pelajaran matematika nggak?
Not me, Mister.
Oke, atau statistik, statistik gimana? Ada yang suka nggak?
Oh no.
Kenapa? Kenapa nggak suka? Kan seru menghitung apa yang tidak ada.
Punya,
Yeah,
Mister.
Untuk saya
me.
kurang
Just
ya, Mister.
Gimana, Alaya?
it's just not for me, sir.
Oh
It's
iya,
complicated.
oke. Emang agak susah ya untuk kita itu belajar statistik. Saya juga nggak bisa kok, tenang aja, kalian nggak sendiri. The next is future.
Future.
Future,
Itu artinya apa?
masa depan.
Masa depan. Ya, di sini ada yang nggak punya masa depan.
Bukan saya
Kalau
punya.
kalau masa depan semua orang pasti punya. Ada yang nggak punya nggak?
Tidak ada, Mister.
Oke, kalau nggak ada berarti punya ya. Apa masa depannya, Mas?
Masa depan saya jadi orang sukses, amin.
Oh, oke bagus. Amin, amin. Semoga sukses ya, Mas. Semuanya juga yang di sini.
Amin, amin.
Oke, berikutnya vocabulary. Semoga kita paham apa yang ada di sini. Berikutnya adalah script listening-nya. Nih, bukan sebelum ini kelewat. Listening instruction. Jadi perintahnya itu adalah oke, saya pakai bahasa Inggris lagi. Alright, everyone, now we are going to start our main activity today. Please look at the screen. Before we begin listening, let's read the instruction together. Oh, nggak usah biar aja yang baca nggak apa-apa. The first instruction is listen carefully. This means that you need to pay attention to every important piece of information that you hear. Jadi tolong didengarkan dengan hati-hati. Nanti saya juga bakal baca 2 kali biar bisa diingat. And do not write yet. Keep your hand free during the first listening. Jadi kalian nggak perlu ditulis dulu ya. Didengerin aja, kalian fokus mendengarkan. And the next is listen twice. The recording will be played 2 times. Yang saya bilang tadi, saya akan menjelaskan, saya akan membaca 2 kali. And the last one is answer after listening. Jadi saya perintahkan kalian untuk menjawab pertanyaan yang akan saya berikan. So write your answer to the comprehension question once listening is complete. Okay, is everything clear?
Clear, Mister.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's begin the question. Ini biar saya baca ya. Tolong dengarkan baik-baik. Apa di sini jelas suaranya atau patah-patah?
Jelas, Mister.
Clear, Mister.
Oke. The script is dengerin ya. Oke. Hello, my name is Kevin. I am 15 years old. I live in Bandung. I like playing basketball and watching movies. My favorite subject is English because it is fun. I want to be an engineer in the future. Oke, saya tunggu sebentar, nanti saya ulangi lagi. Tolong diperhatikan ya. Hello, my name is Kevin. I am 15 years old. I live in Bandung. I like playing basketball and watching movies. My favorite subject is English because it is fun. I want to be an engineer in the future. Oke, sudah jelaskan 2 kali. Apa mau diulang lagi?
Sudah jelas, Sir.
Sudah cukup,
Oke.
Mister.
Oke, oke, oke. Dan pertanyaannya adalah question number 1. Siapa di sini yang menjawab?
Saya, Mister.
Oke, number 1 is what is the boy's name?
The answer is his name is Kevin.
Oke, bagus, bagus, bagus. Berarti kamu mendengarkan. Bagus. Number 2 is how old is she?
I want to answer, Mister.
Ya, silakan.
He is 15 years old.
Oke, very good. And the question number 3, where does he live?
Uh, okay. May I answer once again?
Yes, again, nggak apa-apa.
Okay. He lives in Bandung.
Oke, excellent. Oke, kita simpan dulu jawabannya. Number 4 is what are his hobbies?
I want to try answer, Mister.
Yes, silakan.
His hobby is playing basketball and watching movies.
Oke, very good answer. And mungkin mau jawab lagi nomor 5, Abdul Rafi. And the last question is, what does he want to be?
Oh, he wants to be an engineer.
Oke, very good job. Let's give our friend a big round of applause. Jadi tepuk tangan. Terima kasih sudah menjawab untuk kedua teman kita. Berikutnya adalah kita koreksi ya. Oke, everyone, now let's check our answer together. Number one, what is the boy's name? Tadi jawabannya apa?
Kevin, sir.
Kevin, ya betul sekali. Oke, number two, how old is he? Berapa berapa umurnya? Tadi jawabannya betul ya,
15
15
years
years
old.
old. Oke, betul betul betul. And the number three is where does he live? Tadi yang jawabannya
Bandung.
siapa?
Saya, Mister.
Oke,
Phillips.
bagus sekali jawabannya. The answer is correct. And number four and five, Abdul Rafi, what are his hobbies?
His hobbies is playing basketball and watching movies.
Oke, ingat ya keduanya ya, keren kamu. Ingatannya keren. And the last question is, what does he want to be? Tadi jawabannya apa? An engineer. Oke, oke. Nah, kita sudah ngecek semua jawabannya. Let's move to our reflective activity. Berikutnya. Oke, take a moment to think about today's lesson. Jadi kita pikirkan kita dapat apa aja hari ini. The first one is, what information did you hear today? Jadi kalian dapat apa sih hari ini? Kita bahas apa dari tadi?
How to introduce yourself, Mister.
Oh iya, betul sekali. Terima kasih. Berikutnya adalah which new word did you learn today? Jadi ada kata baru nggak hari yang kamu pelajari hari ini gitu? Kata-kata kosakata baru yang kamu pelajari.
Ada Mister,
Ada, Mister.
Apa tuh?
like engineer and favorite subjects.
Oh iya, bagus. Berarti baru tahu ya. Oke, bagus. Oke, which part is the easiest? Jadi yang gampang tuh bagian mana sih?
Uh, remembering Kevin's name and his hometowns was easy for me.
Oke, bagus banget. Ini di yang paling diinget itu Kevin namanya, nama yang paling diinget ya. Oke, kalau yang paling susah apa?
Yes,
Which
sir.
was difficult? Apa yang paling susah sih yang buat nginget tadi?
Mengucapkan vokatif, Mister, yang engineer itu, Mister.
Oh iya sih, itu emang agak susah sih. Saya aja kadang salah gitu. Nggak apa-apa. Kita belajar sama-sama. And oke, dari keempat ini ada nggak yang mau mengenalkan diri kalian di sini? Dari nama, hobi, tempat tinggal, umur. Siapa? Ayo coba.
Saya, Mister. Mau coba.
Oh, boleh. Silakan, Mbak Nisa.
Hello, everyone. Uh,
Halo, Mbak Nisa.
my name is Nisa Sahnia. People usually call me Nisa, and I am 16 years old. I study at senior high school, and I am from Jakarta. And then there are four people in my family. They are my father, my mother, my younger brother, and then my hobbies are reading books, listening to music, watching movies, and playing badminton. I also like learning English because it is fun and useful for my future. And my dream, I want to be a teacher. That's all. Thank you.
Oke, terima kasih. Tepuk tangan. Keren cita-citanya. Semoga tercapai ya. Berikutnya ada lagi yang mau mengenalkan diri?
I want to try, Mister.
Oke, silakan, Abdul Rafi.
Okay. Hello, everyone. My name is Abdul Rafi Syamodin. I'm 21 years old now. I live in Bogor, and I I live with my family. In my family, I have 5 members. There is my mom, my dad, my two sister and also me. And my hobbies is reading comics and listening to music. And that's all from me. Nice to meet you.
Oke, terima kasih Abdul Raffi. Terima kasih banyak sudah menjawab. Berikutnya ada satu lagi mungkin yang mau memperkenalkan diri, Mbak Alaya. Kayak tertarik.
No.
Oke, nggak apa-apa, nggak apa-apa. Oke, kita lanjut aja nextnya, the final part. Uh, okay, we have reached the end of lesson today. Before we finish, let's review that we have learned today. Today we practice our listening skill by a simple self-introduction. Jadi kita belajar cara memperkenalkan diri. From the listening text, we learn how to identify important personal information such as someone names, age, hometown, hobbies, favorite subject, and future dream. Jadi yang dilakukan sama dua orang tadi. And we also learn how to several new okay. So we also learn several new vocabulary words that can help us introduce ourselves in English. Jadi kita belajar kosakata baru juga. And listening is one of the most important language skill because it help us understand others people communicate more efficiently. Jadi dengan kita mendengar, kita dapat mengerti apa yang orang itu ucapkan, terutama dalam bahasa Inggris yang mungkin agak agak susah dengarnya karena bukan bahasa asli kita. I encourage you all of you to keep practicing your English outside the classroom. Saya pengen kalian semua belajar, nggak cuma di kelas aja, di luar juga. You can listen to English songs, short videos, podcasts, or conversation to improve your listening ability. Remember, learning English is a process. Don't be afraid to make mistakes because every mistake is an opportunity to learn something new. Jadi, nggak usah takut salah. Salah itu cara untuk belajar hal baru. Before I end today's lesson, let's take a moment to review today's vocabulary again. When you get home, practice introducing yourself in English. Okay, thank you very much for your attention and participation throughout today's lesson. I hope you all enjoy our class and learn something useful today. Thank you, have a nice day, and see you in the next lesson. Goodbye, everyone. Terima kasih banyak untuk kalian semua.
Thank you,
Thank you for
Mr.
today. Have a
Thank you,
nice day
sir.
too.
Have a